it's Tuesday and it's phonics time again. So once again, I hope you've been through all of your sounds. Keep going through those every day before you start your phonics learning, because otherwise you will forget the sounds. So keep doing them. Go through them every single day with the actions. Okay, so today we have got a new sound. A bit like yesterday, it's 3 letters that go together to make one sound. And this is the sound air. Air. When an A, I and R go together, they make the sound air. 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 Like the air all around us. So also it's a word. Air. When an A, I and R go together, they make one sound, air. I'm going to write it on my board so I am ready. Going to write it. Shout out. What is the sound? Air. That's absolutely right. And if you can hear noises in the background, that's my dog running in the garden because somebody's thrown the ball. Okay, so let's do some sounding out, shall we? Well, what's it sound? That's right, air. Okay, so let's go from the beginning. Air. Air. Hair. Well done. Okay, let's do this one. Air. Air. Fair. Well done. Oh! I wonder if you could do this one all on your own. Did you do it? That's right, it's air. Okay, let's do this one. Air. 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 Stare. Well done. You're going to do this one on your own. Okay, let's do it with me. Air, air, pear. Well done, like a pair of socks. And we got back to the beginning. So you're going to write some words now. You're going to write first of all the word air. Air. Can you remember it's those 3 letters that go together to make one sound? Air. I've actually already got it written on here. Air. You're going to write it. Air. The next word you're going to write is flare. 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 Stretch it out. Flare. Flare. First sound. Next sound. Ooh. Last sound. Air. Flare. 1, 2, 3, go, write it. Air. Flare. Okay, the next one you're going to write is hair. Hair. First sound. Next sound. Air. Hair. 1, 2, 3, go, write it. Air. Hair. The last one you're going to write is stare. 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 Stretch it. Stare. Stare. First sound. Next sound. Last one. Stare. Go, write it. You write it over here. Stare. So the sentence I want you to write today is my hair was fair. My hair was fair. My hair was fair. Or perhaps perhaps you could come up with your own sentence with some air words in. Can't wait to see them. Send them to me on Seesaw. All right, have a lovely rest of the day. Bye.